Time for the Nokia One Plus. Let's see how it runs. Retro games. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to use the IPEGA controller I've reviewed. To say this correctly. Nevertheless, it looks pretty awesome this way. There are different versions, different ways to play some games. So, looks cool. And yeah, let's test out some games, retro games. And let's have some fun. Ooh. Ah, turbo buttons. Ah, what a joy. Work like a charm, people. Work like a charm. Really cool to play the games on this setup this way. Yeah, he's coming, he's coming. Alright, next game. Let's go. Alright, let's see.
Round one, fight.
Well, Alex think that doesn't work. And even 3D games work like in charm, people. And you can already see and hear that it runs on full speed. Come. Oh. Oh. Alright, let's see. Okay. Let's see how it works. Oh, so far so good.
Get ready for the next battle.
Yeah, you can see that it's having some difficulties with PSP, but it runs the PSP games good. It has some little issues, but it's working. Oh, no. It was starting good, but no. It's running pretty horrible now. You can see it. And its frame drops every time, and the sound is pretty awful. And now it's back. Wow. Maybe if you go to do some tweaking with the settings, you can get some little bit better performance. But as you can see now, it's loading in the game, and wow. It surprises me that it plays on a €75 telephone. It's not perfect, of course. As you can see now, he needs to render a lot of stuff. Now you're getting the frame drops. Now we're going back into the tunnel, and my frames come back, and it runs just fine. Or better said, it's playable. Time for some Dreamcast. Okay, he has some problems. So far so good. Oh, that sound. And now you can see that this budget phone get pushed to the limit. Dreamcast, this is pushing the system to the limit. But of course, this is not playable. So, Dreamcast is a no-go, people. Alright, so for the final conclusion regarding the Nokia OnePlus, if it comes for emulating retro games, I'm surprised. I was not expecting much from this device because it's a very low-end phone. But as you can see, it even runs PlayStation 1 and some games for the PSP are running. Dreamcast, of course, out of the question. Still wanted to try it in this video. So, but And overall, for the performance and for the money, if you're searching for a very cheap way to play some games and yeah, combined with this controller, it's a great option. So let me know what you think of this. Really love to know. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell for more awesome Wicked content. And if you like gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.